In this video, I'll show the handy AutoSum feature and some essential functions. Let's start with the AutoSum. We have the number of 3 different subjects in 3 distinct columns. I want to get the total marks for math. In this case, the AutoSum feature comes into play. Select cell D15 where I want to get the total of math. Go to the Home tab. In the Editing group, click on the AutoSum button. Alternatively, press Alt and equal symbol on your keyboard. This will automatically insert the sum function. Just press enter to get the result. Imagine you want to get the average of the numbers of physics. Select cell E15, then click on the AutoSum drop-down and select average from the option. It gets the arguments, which is the E5 to E14 range. Press enter and it's showing the average of 64. If you want to find the total number of students, count them up. Select cell F15, click on the AutoSum drop-down and select Count Numbers from the options and enter. So, there are a total of 10 students on the list. Finding the maximum or minimum from any of the columns is also possible. Click on the same cell F15 and select Max from the drop-down. It inserts the max function and replaces the previous count calculation. Press enter. The maximum number scored in chemistry is 76. Alright, time for a quick pop quiz. Who got the lowest marks in physics? Drop your answers in the comments below. And that's it for the video.